Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. In this video, I'm going to show you some test shots taken on this tiny Risepray 35mm F1.6 manual focus lens, which cost me the equivalent of just $39 US. I recently made a detailed review of this lens, which you can see in this link here above. I will also add the link to that video in the description of this video. Now, this video is not sponsored by anybody, and I paid for this lens with my own money. All the opinions which I express during this video are my own. In my full review video, the test shots were taken on my Sony ZV E10 mirrorless APS-C camera with the aperture fully open to f1.6 to demonstrate the beautiful bokeh which this lens can produce. Obviously, at f1.6 you need to be more precise to get the subject of the photo in focus. In this video, all the test shots are again taken on my Sony ZV E10 mirrorless APS-C camera, but this time with an aperture of f8, keeping the ISO value at 100 and varying the shutter speed to obtain the correct exposure. I set the manual focus distance ring to the infinity symbol and left it there on the infinity symbol for the whole of the shoot. All the example images are shot around the town where I live and are of a street urban photography style. By using the aperture of f8 and setting the focus distance dial to the infinity symbol, I was able to get in-focus photos using my camera like a point-and-shoot camera without the need to refocus for each composition. I would say that the nearest in-focus object was about 3.5 meters, and as you can see in the images, it has quite a large depth of field. Now, this lens is recommended for APS-C and micro 4/3 cameras, and you can get it for the Sony E-mount system, like my lens here, and also for Nikon, Canon and other camera brand mounts. I must say it was great fun shooting with this lens, and I look forward to taking some portraits on it shortly, which I will make a short video on as well and upload to my channel. So let's take a look at some test shots taken on this amazing little lens attached to my Sony ZV E10 mirrorless APS-C camera. Remember, all of these test images are taken at an aperture of f.8 with an ISO value of 100, varying the shutter speed to keep correct exposure. And the focus distance dial was set to the infinity symbol. Well, there you have it. Pretty good results, eh? From a $39 manual focus lens. To be honest, I was pleasantly surprised by the results, as all the test images which I shot had an acceptable sharpness to them. If you want to have fun taking photos and practice with your manual focus skills, I highly recommend you getting your hands on the Risepray 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens. This lens really does create some great images at an excellent price. Couple that with its superb build quality, design, and size, and quite honestly, you can't go wrong. Well, I hope you liked this video and found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified when a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.